Prawns or shrimp are marinated in a batter. They are then deep fried and kept aside. Garlic, ginger, chilies, onion and green pepper, together with some tomato, tofu, soya, chili sauce and vinegar, and a cornstarch slurry holds this all together. The prawn or shrimp are then tossed in and finished off with some chopped coriander. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures and Happy New Year. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today to kickstart 2022, we're going to be making chili prawns. This is a delicious recipe typically served in Hakka style Chinese restaurants. It's packed with flavor and it's super delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the prawns or shrimp that I have. This is about 500 grams and these have already been shelled and deveined, and I've just left the tails on. This is totally optional. I'm going to squeeze the juice of half a lime. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to mix this well together, and I'm just going to leave this alone for about 10 minutes till I get all the rest of my ingredients ready. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. If you prefer, you can use cornstarch as well. And I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of a light soya sauce. Marinate this for 30 minutes. Once this is marinated and I'm ready to fry, I have my oil heating up here, and I'm going to start by adding these in batches. I'm going to fry this till the batter is golden brown, and then I'm going to drain it on some kitchen towel. Once these are all fried and ready, it's time to put this together. My wok is heating up and I'm going to add in some oil. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion, a 1/4 cup of finely diced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of finely diced ginger. And I'm going to give this a really good saute. Next, I'm going to throw in 2 green chilies. I've just cut the green chilies in half, as well as 4 dry red chilies. I'm going to saute this as well. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of onion petals. Followed by a 1/2 cup of green pepper cubes. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add half a cup of tomato. I just cut this in cubes as well. This is optional, but I also like to add in a half cup of fried tofu. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm also going to add a half cup of water. I have 2 tablespoons of a cornstarch slurry here, and I'm just going to add this in to thicken the sauce. Now I'm going to add all of the cooked prawns back in, and I'm going to toss it to coat. The coating is going to absorb all of that delicious flavor, and that cornstarch slurry is just going to hold everything together. And finally, I'm going to add in a half cup of chopped coriander, and this is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chili prawns or shrimp. It's so delicious and packed with so much flavor. Everyone that you make it for is gonna love it. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below so I know what you think about the video. And if you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, as well as you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes for a lot of fun stuff. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.